So I've just had a hearing test for the first time, I think, in my adult life. I was convinced there was something wrong with my right ear, but I think it was just itchy. He says, you don't have to come back until you're 60. 60? I'm 52 this year. So anyway, that was at Boots. 15-minute session, free. Peace of mind. So, if you think you might need a hearing test, or you've never had a hearing test for years, just go to Boots. It's only 15 minutes of your time taken up. Good. I'm going to celebrate now with a sausage roll.